Okay, I'm going to walk you through the simple install of a 23-inch lid. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the clip out of the rod. And then we're going to tap the rod out of the top of the lower hinge. Now we're going to lift the lid. It's 120 pounds, so each person has about 60 pounds, which is very doable. It simply slides right between the top of the lower hinge. When the hole's lined up, you're going to tap that rod back right through. Later on, we'll put the clip on it. Now we're going to put the spring on. And the spring fits right in the top of the hinge, and the bolt goes through the very bottom. And we've marked the bolt so you know how far to tighten it, so you don't have to worry about over tightening or under tightening it. There's a felt tip marker on it. So you're going to tighten it right down to that line. Now to install the spring cover, there's a Allen head bolt top, left, and right. That's putting the clip back on. And we're going to loosen those Allen head bolts. That's the one on the left and the one on the right. Now the spring cover slides onto two pins on the very bottom first, and then slides onto those two Allen bolts. There's a long rod with an Allen head key welded onto it that makes this easy. Open the lid a little bit to give it access, and you can tighten down both sides, left and right. And that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward and simple. The last thing we're going to need to do is put the damper top on. You'll see there's a clip on the damper top on the bottom of the shaft. You're going to want to remove that first. So screw that down through the tri-set. And don't forget to put the pin back on it. That way, if you open it too far, the damper top won't fall off. Thank you for your help. Have fun with it.